see or it is any busy on Levante Beach. Well, the off-season has kicked in over here. Temperature has gone down a bit, but I'll explain more about that later in this video, as well as my travel plans coming up. But first, let's have a look. Are there still any people? We're halfway November. Winter has kicked in, but how does winter look over here? Absolutely gorgeous. 18 degrees is for today, so not that warm, not above 20. But hey, full on sunshine, hardly any clouds. Got a green flag out. It's beautiful if you are in the sun. Really warm, really nice. But in the shade it can feel a little bit cold. And in fact the promenade itself is also quite busy. Bars as well, terraces and everything. Usually after fancy dress. Benidorm is empty, it's deserted, because that was the last big thing. Except for the holidays then, at the end of December. But usually Benidorm is empty, but that hasn't been the case yet. So really happy about that. People seem to find Benidorm even during these calmer months. In bigger numbers as well than previous times. So that's a good thing. Keeps a bit more everything open. There are hardly any bars going on for a break right now. Usually they all go in January, beginning of January, most of them. They close for a few more weeks to recharge. But yeah, that hasn't been the case yet. Just a few are closed, as well as a few hotels. But that is it. Beach itself, really busy. Let's have a closer look over here. Quite some people around, and with hardly any wind. 18 degrees in the full-on sunshine is beautiful, especially for November. Well, the temperatures for the upcoming weeks, I saw next Monday is gonna be 22, and then afterwards again around 18, 17, so it will stay a bit around this. I think this is the lowest we'll get, around 18 degrees. No rain in the forecast or anything for the upcoming week, so that is amazing. But I won't be here to see that all. But more about that later. Absolutely gorgeous over here, beautiful. Beautiful weather for November, perfect amount of crowds. They're still quite busy. But you're not walking all packed together and everything. Bars over here on the right, it is almost 12, so to give you an indication of how busy it is. They're in the shade, still plenty of space. Later on, when the sun comes around the corner, it won't be the case anymore. This will be filled up as well. Over here you can see excellent which seats are already in the sun, because it's filling up fast, people. Something we see over here, we usually even don't see in the summer, busy summer months. A full touring bus. Wow. Really is busy. Or at least for those kind of things. Pathways itself are really calm. That's a bit nicer as well. Plenty of space to walk. No people arriving, I see. But yeah, those are arriving. But I'm leaving soon. In fact, probably when this video will be released, I will be on a flight towards Barcelona. Yeah, in fact, you could say I'm sailing with a big ship from Benidorm towards the US. Towards America. I'm going to Florida this afternoon. So yeah, I got quite an exciting trip coming up ahead with one of those big cruise ships, the MSC Grandiosa. We're going there, and I'm really curious about the experience. I did multiple cruises before. but all were around the Mediterranean area over here, which is really easy. It's just in my backyard actually. But this one is new, going to cross the Atlantic. Got about a week at sea before we get there, so I'm really curious how that will go and everything. So if you are as well, then definitely follow me along on the channel, because I will post some videos about how it is going, how the ship is, how my experience is on it, and so on. And if you don't like that much, don't worry at all, because beginning of January I'm back again over here in Benidorm to take you guys along through Benidorm, what I usually do. Hopefully a little bit more frequent as well, because last probably months I've been really busy sorting everything out, because it was quite last minute and everything. Usually such a big trip, planning on beforehand takes quite some time. Well, and that was the reason why, yeah, there weren't that many updates lately. I was really busy working everything out, getting everything sorted out, making a big plan for the holiday, because when we're there, we're going to do another cruise as well. Visit Orlando, Florida, the theme parks probably over there. Got loads of plans for those days. And eventually it turned out to be cheaper to fly back towards Amsterdam instead of Spain from Miami. So that's an excellent excuse to spend the holidays with my family. Really looking forward to that as well. As we all know, I'm Dutch, so I live here, but my family still lives in the Netherlands. So now getting the opportunity to spend the holidays with them. Yeah, you usually don't do that often. Usually we're quite busy over here in the period as well. But right now we do have the chance to go for that, so why not do that? And then, yeah, some less videos on the channel. That's unfortunate, but still can't say no to this. So for that, yeah, I'm gonna post the videos just on my channel. I'm not gonna make a separate travel channel for just these few videos that are gonna be coming out of those cruises and the travel towards the US by boat, which is quite exciting. Maybe cruising isn't something for you. That could be the case, but you're still interested maybe in how big of a ship it is, what is all to do around there, why people maybe do it. So that gives you an excellent idea of how it is, and hopefully by the time we'll get back we're gonna see what bar is coming there on the other side of the street, because they're still working on it. I don't really think it's a bar, but hey, could be something else as well. We're gonna find out. For now on, I'm heading towards the little supermarkets. Got all the house cleaned up and everything, so there's no food left anymore, so I'm gonna get quickly some snacks and everything in for now, and a bit more essentials I need. Over here, the green door just opened up. Not that busy yet, 2 pints, $3.50. So quite alright still, but not the €3 anymore we saw a few years ago. Don't know where they'll be returning. Maybe we'll see that in January when it really dies down. Got the Big Ben, Union Jack over there. Some people are enjoying already some drinks out there in the sun. Yeah, it's that lovely weather. But thankfully I'm gonna get some lovely weather as well in Florida. Looks about to be 28 degrees over there. So it's quite a bit up from here. But still, this is already beautiful. Clear skies, the sun out, and almost 20 degrees. Nearly there. Got the mealie already. Red Lion in front. Almost at my final stop for today, for today. That'll be Alicante Airport in Barcelona. But still. And there we are. Well, hopefully you guys follow me along on my journey through YouTube then. Don't forget to give a like, do subscribe. And the next update will come in a few days. Gonna record and edit everything on my phone. So gonna be a challenge for that, editing it on it. Don't like that usually, so it won't be that high end as I usually go for. But let's see how things work out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're curious to see about the cruise, what I'm all going to do on it, what the ship looks like, if you want to know what I paid for it. So yeah, next update in a few days hopefully, and then in the meantime, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.